Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial with a couple tips on how to focus your CINAHL searches. I've already got a search set up here. I'm looking for articles that talk about whether menthol and tobacco products affects the initiation of new smokers. And this is a basic keyword search. So when I run this, I get 231 results, which is quite a lot. And if I look through some of these titles, I find that they're not sounding super on topic. So there's a couple things I can do here. The first is to come over here to the expanders, and the second expander, always search within the full text of articles. That's always going to be applied when you do a CINAHL search. And that can be a little bit problematic because if I'm focusing on menthol, and menthol appears even once in the article somewhere, maybe even in a footnote, that article is going to be in my results list, even though it's not really on topic. So I'm going to turn that expander off. And now I've got 29 articles. Much more manageable, and just by skimming the results list, these look like they could be a lot more on topic. Now, the other thing that we can do for that situation is very similar. Again, back to the 231 articles. I'm going to come up here, and when I type in a keyword in CINAHL, it automatically has this select a field box next to it. If you leave it as is, it's just going to do a basic keyword search. I could switch this to title or abstract so that CINAHL is just going to look in those two areas for the term menthol. If menthol appears anywhere else, it's not really going to show up. But the nice thing about this is if menthol is in an abstract, that usually means it's going to be a focus of the article. So I'll do that search. And again, I'm back to 29 articles, and they look a little bit more on topic. So one or both of those can be good options for narrowing things down if you have a lot of off-topic articles.